signing up for Google Analytics is a piece of cake. The first thing you need is a Gmail address. I created a new Gmail address for a site I'm creating on blog flipping called flippingfantastic@gmail.com. You go to this address, google.com/analytics. You sign up for Google Analytics. You're going to get this particular page. I'm going to just put the name of the site, flippingfantastic.com. The website's URL is just simply http://flipping, spell that right, I don't know, flippingfantastic.com. I'm in the Central Standard Time. I'm not going to worry about the sharing. Yes, you have to agree to the terms and conditions and create an account. It's just that simple. You'll get a little green success box, page loading. Now, here is the wackiness. Make old version default. There's an old version and a new version. I hate change. I only know the old version. So I just clicked the old version and it takes you to this particular page, Google Analytics settings. Now there you go. Here's the ugly little thing. I have nothing since basically I just put this together. So I'm going to show you here in a minute how to integrate Google Analytics WordPress plugin with this particular site, because here's the key configuration: visitors right here and custom variables. We're going to come back to this in a minute, but that's how you set up your Google Analytics account for any Gmail address. Okay, Google Analytics is not active. Okay, I just set it up, so why would it be? We must first select which analytics profile to track. I have several, so we need them to talk to each other. Click here to authenticate with Google. Okay, Google likes to authenticate things. We're not going to hassle them. We are going to grant them access. Very, very simple. It's nice they ask for permission. And now, here's the key thing. 2 little drop-down boxes. It'll find what you have, flippingfantastic.com. Now, that's all there is to it. I don't have to copy and paste any code. Here's the default. In the header, I'm going to leave it there, but if you want to insert manually, you can do that. 2 cool checkboxes. You can track outbound clicks and downloads, and I can show advanced settings. I'm going to do that because I want to show you some cool advanced features of this plugin. You could copy and paste the code manually. A lot of themes have a certain area where it will take Google Analytics code, but if you want a little more functionality, here is where this plugin really excels. Custom variables settings. All of these different things you can check. Logged in users. I'm going to click that. If you have custom post types, you can see the page views of each post type. I don't have that. If you have a lot of authors on your site and you want to see which authors are getting the most reads, click that. I don't. It's just me. I'm just going to click the tags and I'm going to click all categories to see what categories people are checking out, and click the blue update button. Anytime you see an update button, just update. It just makes more sense. Now, you've got another advanced settings box. You can ignore some users. I'm going to ignore the administrator, which is me. You can track outbound clicks as page views, and you can track downloads. I don't have any downloads, but that's a cool thing. Here's some other advanced features. I don't need those, but I'm going to update. Very nice. One last piece of advanced functionality. We have the debug mode. If you want to confirm that your tracking is working, enable this option and then check Firebug if you use Firefox and work with the debug mode. Very slick. I'm going to show you then how to get your information. I'm going to refresh this just in case, but we're back to our Google Analytics dashboard. If you want some information, you simply go to Visitors and click Custom Variables. Now, there's nothing for you to view right now because I have 0 unique custom variables. I just set this up on my site. But when you do and start tracking authors, tracking categories, tracking posts, this is where you'll find that data. This plugin is very advanced. It's very cool. Help spread the word. Donate a few bucks if you want. It has a great plugin page, a nice video. This is Google Analytics for WordPress, extending analytics functionality. It's just that good.